Apple iPhone 6 Plus owners could be eligible for a free upgrade to an iPhone 6s Plus, according to a leaked memo sent to Apple Store employees. If you own a broken iPhone 6 Plus, Apple might upgrade your smartphone to an iPhone 6s Plus. According to an internal Apple memo spotted by MacRumors, iPhone 6 Plus owners who qualify for a whole device replacement could now be handed a brand new iPhone 6s Plus. iPhone 6s Plus is the next model up from the iPhone 6 Plus, launching a year after the latter. It boasts a pressure-sensitive 3D touch display, live photos, improved rear camera, drastically better front-facing selfie camera and a new aluminum alloy for a stronger handset design. According to the internal memo, orders for whole unit service inventory of some iPhone 6 Plus models may be substituted to an iPhone 6s Plus until the end of March 2018. Apple does not specify which iPhone 6 Plus models will be eligible for the complimentary upgrade. Some have speculated the free upgrade is linked to the purportedly shortage of iPhone 6 Plus battery replacements. If you have an iPhone 6 Plus with a defect that will require a whole unit replacement, like a faulty lightning connector or faulty logic board, for example, you could qualify for an upgrade to an all-new iPhone 6s Plus. Those who need repairs on their iPhone 6 Plus should book an Apple Genius Spa appointment either in-store, online or via the Apple Store app. Following the controversy around Apple artificially slowing down older iPhone models with aging batteries, Apple has dropped the price of replacements over the next year. Battery replacements in an Apple Store will drop by £54, from £79 to £25, for anyone with an iPhone 6 or newer whose battery needs to be replaced. The new pricing is available worldwide until December 2018. Anyone with an iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s Plus, iPhone SE, iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus could see the performance of their handset reduced by Apple. Apple has also announced that it will issue an iOS software update next year that allows users more visibility into the health of their iPhone battery, so they can see for themselves if its condition is affecting performance. The company apologies to fans writing, "At Apple, our customers' trust means everything to us. We will never stop working to earn and maintain it. We are able to do the work we love only because of your faith and support, and we will never forget that or take it for granted."